Upgrading your distributor? Don't skip the Proform 66946C HEI wire harness radio capacitor kit. This kit is a straightforward, reliable way to ensure your ignition system runs smoothly without those frustrating spark interruptions. What you get with this kit is a high-quality wire harness paired with a radio capacitor, designed specifically to fit perfectly with your distributor upgrade. The product measures 9.4 by 7 by 1.2 inches and weighs just 1.6 ounces, making it lightweight but durable enough for consistent performance. Why does this matter? A faulty or outdated wire harness can cause no spark conditions, which means your engine won't start or run properly. This kit eliminates those risks by providing a dependable connection that's easy to install and built to last. Proform's 66946C model is trusted by users across the U.S. It ships quickly within 3 business days and comes with a 30-day return policy, so you can buy with confidence. Just note, shipping is limited to the continental U.S., ensuring fast and secure delivery. Customers report that the fit is perfect and the installation process is hassle-free. One reviewer mentioned it solved their occasional no-spark issues, proving this kit is a smart, practical solution for anyone upgrading their ignition system. If you're looking to avoid common distributor upgrade headaches, this kit is worth a look. It's not just about replacement parts, it's about preventing downtime and keeping your engine firing reliably every time you turn the key. Ready to improve your ignition system's reliability? The Proform 66946C HEI wire harness radio capacitor kit offers a solid balance of quality, ease of use, and peace of mind. Try it when you're ready to upgrade and experience the difference for yourself.